Topdon RLink X7 not connecting to Nissan Consult 3 Plus? Here's the real fix they don't tell you. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I'm thrilled to welcome you back to Baabji Motors, your trusted destination for everything related to automobile diagnostics, ECU programming, and repair tool solutions. Before we dive in, here's a quick but important note. This video is made purely for educational and informational purposes. Every demonstration and explanation you see here is meant to guide technicians, learners, and enthusiasts to better understand automotive systems. All product names, logos, and references belong to their respective owners. And remember, always follow your manufacturer's guidelines and local regulations while performing diagnostic or programming work. Now let's talk about something that's been frustrating quite a few users lately. Have you ever tried connecting your Topdon RLink X7 to Nissan's Consult 3 Plus software, only to find that it simply refuses to connect? Well, you're not alone. Many technicians have faced this exact issue. The RLink X7 just won't establish a proper connection with the Nissan software. Even after installing it on another computer, sometimes with only a single driver, the connection still fails. So what's actually going wrong here? And more importantly, how do you fix it without wasting hours troubleshooting? Stick around till the end, because today I'm breaking down the real solution step by step and sharing how we finally got it working perfectly with full fault code reading and clearing. Let's begin by understanding the problem in a bit more detail. One of our viewers reported that their Topdon RLink X7 couldn't connect to Nissan Consult 3 Plus. They tried installing it on multiple computers, using different drivers, but the software simply didn't recognize the device. At first glance, it might seem like a hardware or cable issue, but in this case, the culprit was something entirely different: software compatibility. Here's the key. Nissan Consult 3 Plus has two main versions, the regular non R2R version and the R2R ready-to-retail version. The R2R version supports multiple VCI devices, including third-party ones, but the non-R2R version is locked down and only recognizes Nissan's original VCI hardware. That means if you're trying to connect your RLink X7 to the non-R2R version, the software simply won't talk to it, no matter how many times you reinstall drivers or change computers. So what's the fix? It's actually simpler than it seems, but you need to follow it carefully. Step 1. Make sure you only have one driver installed at a time. Having multiple VCI drivers can cause conflicts that block the software from detecting the RLink X7. Step 2. If your Consult 3 Plus is the non-R2R version, you'll need a small bridge tool, often referred to as C3P tool, to connect your non-original VCI device to the Nissan software. Now, here's how this little bridge tool works. It acts as a compatibility layer between the RLink X7 and the Nissan Consult software. Normally, the non-R2R version will only respond to Nissan's official hardware, but when you activate C3P tool, it tricks the software into recognizing your third-party device as if it were the original. Think of it like a translator that lets two systems speak the same language. Here's the step-by-step connection method that worked for us. First, double-click on the C3P tool to activate it. Once it's open, launch the Consult 3 Plus software. In the lower right corner of your screen, you should see a small status message confirming that C3P tool is active. That's your signal that the bridge is ready. Next, go to the main Consult 3 Plus interface and select 6/MI. This is where you choose your diagnostic connector. Once your RLink X7 is recognized, the software's main page will display green connection information, indicating a successful link. At this point, you can click directly to start your diagnosis session. From here, the process is smooth sailing. Select the vehicle model you're working on, confirm the details, and start the diagnostic scan. Within moments, the software should begin reading fault codes through the RLink X7, just like it would with an official Nissan VCI. In our case, we not only read the fault code successfully, but we're also able to clear them completely. Now, a very important note. This method only applies to the non-R2R version of Nissan Consult 3 Plus. If you're using the R2R version, this workaround won't be necessary, and the C3P tool won't work with that version anyway. The R2, our version already has support for external VCIs built in, so you can connect directly without any compatibility patches. By following these steps, we were able to get the Topdon RLink X7 fully functional with the Nissan software, allowing diagnostics, fault code reading, and clearing without any issues. It's always exciting to see how versatile these tools can become when combined with the right methods and utilities. The RLink X7 continues to prove itself as one of the most adaptable diagnostic interfaces available, capable of working seamlessly across different brands and software ecosystems when configured properly. Now let's wrap this up. Remember the question we asked earlier: why the Topdon RLink X7 wouldn't connect to Nissan Consult 3 Plus? The answer, as you've seen, isn't about drivers or cables. It's about software limitations and version compatibility. Once you use the right bridge tool with the correct version of Consult 3 Plus, everything falls into place. From my personal experience, I'd say this fix is one of those small but powerful discoveries that can save hours of frustration in the workshop. It's a reminder that in diagnostics, understanding the software environment is just as crucial as having the right tools in your hand. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever faced similar connection issues with your diagnostic tools? Share your story in the comments, or let us know if this method worked for you. Here's a quick fun fact before you go. Did you know that most OEM diagnostic systems are deliberately locked to prevent third-party hardware from connecting? It's one of the main reasons why the aftermarket industry keeps innovating with clever tools like the RLink X7. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support. Let's aim for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments on this one. Drop your thoughts, hype this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Baabji Motors for more diagnostic deep dives, tutorials, and real-world repair stories. Your engagement helps this channel grow and keeps us motivated to bring you even more valuable content. Thanks for watching till the end. And until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.